Hey there, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. So, if you hold cryptocurrency, you're probably run into one major frustrating problem actually using it for everyday real world purchases. Now, while cryptocurrency is great for investing, you can't exactly walk into a grocery store, book a hotel, or even pay your Netflix subscription directly with Bitcoin or USDT, right? Those who have been into crypto for long and use this for everyday purchases are aware of this. And that's because most places just want a standard Visa or Mastercard, right? There's a lot of restrictions. So how do you really bridge that gap smoothly without jumping through a million exchange hoops? How do you do that? In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to use crypto for everyday payments using a platform called PSTnet, which you can just type in the Google search bar and click on the site you see right there and hop into the site. Thanks to them for sponsoring this very video. Now, PSTnet specializes in offering visual payment cards, also known as VCCs, in USD, which is United States dollar, that you can instantly top up using your crypto assets. Yes, your day-to-day crypto, you can actually use that to top up this very card that the PSTnet platform is offering. Now, let's break down exactly how this works, what fees look like, and how you can set it up in a few minutes. And before we begin, guys, to celebrate hitting our recent 9k subscribers milestone, I'm doing a special crypto giveaway right in this very video. Yes, you heard that right. I'm actually going to be giving away $3 in crypto to 3 lucky subscribers today. So I'll even be personally covering the gas fees so it lands completely intact in your wallet, right? So if you want to know exactly how to enter and win, just make sure that you stick around until the very end of this video, because I'll be dropping the entry rules there. Now, the main product we're going to be focusing on today is the Ultima card, and this is actually a USD card issued by banks right in the United States, meaning that this has a massive global acceptance, right? It has a massive global acceptance, and this is because it's a standard visual card, and each one actually comes with its own unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, what makes this card highly practical for everyday life is its versatility, right? The card is like versatile. You can literally use it on almost every platform out there, right? You can use the Ultima card for almost any kind of online payment. When I mean online payments, we're actually talking about standard subscriptions like Spotify, we're talking Netflix or iCloud, travel bookings like flights and hotels around the world, or even your everyday shopping on global e-commerce platforms like eBay and AliExpress. Another thing you need to know is that you can also link this card directly to a PayPal account and actually use them anywhere PayPal is accepted. Now, one major safety feature to note here is that 3D secure support is provided. PSTnet can support 3DS, and what this 3DS does is that it adds that crucial layer of safety and merchant acceptance when you're shopping online, right? So if you've ever tried to use a generic prepaid virtual card online, then you know they often get declined because they lack 3D secure verification codes. So when you go shopping, you just know that you are shopping with a card that is versatile. Now let's talk about the account limits and the pricing structure, because this is where things get really interesting, right? Now, first of all, there is no limit on the number of visual cards you can open. There's actually no limit, and there is also no limit on the amount of money you can spend. If you also need multiple cards to keep your personal shopping, business expenses, or travel separate, you can sign up as many as you want, right? So there's actually no limit, right? They have a variety of cards, but the most recommended card right here, which I also think anyone who wants to go for this should go for, is the Ultima card, right? For the billing, they offer flexible option, right, depending on your needs. So you can just choose a weekly plan which sits at $7, right? Or if you plan using this long term, they have a yearly plan available right now for $99, right, which gives you about 48% off. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what about the transaction fees, right? Because this is where a lot of people get to frown on most of these platforms. Now, PSTnet actually runs a very clean 0% fee. This is what you need to know, right? Their 0% fee structure on the core actions you perform daily is one of the most beautiful things about this very platform. You actually get 0% fees on transactions. There is 0% fee on declines if your payment fails. There's also 0% fees on card withdrawals and refunds, and there's also 0% fee on platform withdrawals. So the main operational fee to keep in mind is the card top-up fee. That's actually where they charge you a fee, which is very normal for every other platform. But the 0% fee, this is crazy. This is something that most platforms would not do for you. PSTnet is offering it to you right here, right? Again, the main operational fee to keep in mind is the card top-up fee, and this card top-up fee starts from 2%. Just 2%, guys. However, as a massive bonus for new users, there's always no fee on your very first USDT deposit, right? There's no fee. So when you set up your account and top it up with USDT for the first time, you pay 0% in platform fees to get those funds onto your accounts, right? So how do you actually register for the very platform? Now, getting registered on this platform is incredibly straightforward. This is what you need to know. And this actually takes less than a minute, right? You can actually sign up using your standard email address, or you can just connect instantly using your Google account. And there's also the socials there, right? You can actually use the socials if you want to, but I'm going to be using the Google account right now, and I'm going to be selecting an email. And once you do, the next thing you want to do is to click on continue, and once this loads up, you are automatically in the app. So once you're inside, you are greeted by a very clean, user-friendly dashboard. As you can see on my screen here, your entire asset overview is right in front of you. You can manage your balance across multiple fiat currencies like US dollars and euros, alongside your crypto balances too. So the first thing you want to do once you create your account is to come over to the KYC verification section, right? This is the section you're meant to come to first, and this is very important. As you can see, this is the KYC verification section, and there are 3 levels of verification right here. Now, if I scroll down to the very bottom right here, you're going to see that we have the custom cases, which is this, and then we have the corporate, and lastly we have the unlimited. Now, before you be able to carry out any transaction or carry out a transaction smoothly, or for extra security, you need the custom cases KYC verification process done, right? You have to make sure that you do this, and for you to do this, it's really simple. You just have to come over to the contact us section right here and head over to Telegram, right? This is going to actually take you to Telegram, and then you go ahead and message them and let them know that you want to carry out this very verification process. It is that simple. Now, if you don't understand how the custom cases work, you can always come over to the corporate section right here, click on this right here, and you'll be redirected to the corporate page where you'll be asked to submit a document, right? This is basically how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue right now, and this is going to take us to the next page. And you can see right here, you can provide your company details, and the next is you provide your company's document. So this is like a higher level of verification, which would actually allow you handle more funds in this very account. So you can actually click on start verification right here, agree to the terms and conditions. You have to make sure you read that right. You select your country, right? Once you select your country, you select your company name, then you continue. It is that simple, and your verification will be done, right? To top up your account, you just click request balance top up, right? They support instant crypto top-ups with 18 cryptocurrencies, right? 18 different cryptocurrencies, including USDT, which is something a lot of us use. Then there's Bitcoin. Then there's also 16 other major coins out there. And if you're someone who doesn't want to use crypto, they also support traditional methods like SEPA or Swift bank transfers, as well as direct Visa and Mastercard tokens, right? They do all that. Now, to make managing your assets even easier on the go, they have a dedicated PSTnet mobile app available on iOS and Android, right? Now, if you're an Apple user, you want to search for that on App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can just go to the search bar and type in PSTnet or PST.net, and you get to see this very app right here. You can see you can actually download it. They have a 4.6 review, and they have over 100k downloads, right? A lot of people are actually using this very app right now. You can grab it directly from these 2 platforms to check your balance of free cards instantly from your phone. And if you use a desktop browser, they also provide a dedicated in-browser cardholder extension, right? And this is to help you manage multiple cards seamlessly while checking out on shopping sites. So if you need to manage multiple cards, this is the way to go. Now, for those of us who are advanced with all this crypto stuff, right? For the more advanced users out there or digital marketers out there, PSTnet includes what we call Bin Checker tool, right? They have a built-in Bin Checker tool, and this tool doesn't just give you the base data of the card issuer, right? It actually provides live real-time statistics for PSTnet Bin. In case you don't know, Bin actually means bank identification number. Right now, you can openly view the platform's current approval and decline rates, the average spending habits per card, and typical account threshold using this very Bin Checker tool. Now, this kind of transparency is rare, especially if you run a lot of online transactions, right? So I love the way these guys are moving, and this is something we call a welcome development, right? Security wise, the platform actually supports what we call 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, and this is to keep your account secured tightly. If you're into crypto, you do a lot of crypto transactions, you know that for most wallets, two-factor authentication is a very important step if you want to secure your wallet or you want an extra level of security. Additionally, their customer support is active 24/7. right? You can actually reach a real person at any time of the day via their WhatsApp, right? You can just click on that chat icon at the top right hand corner of your screen and you get to see your support. You can reach them via their WhatsApp or through their dedicated Telegram bots. Speaking of the Telegram bots, it's highly recommended to link your account because it sends you instant notification, and most importantly, it delivers your 3D secure verification codes directly to your chats whenever you're making an online purchase. Beautiful. This is actually well organized, right? Actually well organized. Lastly, if you like the platform and you want to share it, they have a rewarding affiliate program, right? By simply sharing your referral link, you can actually build a stream of passive crypto income using this, right? On the homepage right now, you just have to scroll down to the very bottom and click on that very affiliate link section right now, and this will lead you to the affiliate link section. This is actually where you can apply and begin to share your code with people who you know are interested with this, right? The commission split is incredibly generous if you ask me. Like, you can earn about 90% of exchange fees. You also earn 30% from card issuance and 10% of all top-up fees paid by the users you refer, right? Plus, if your referral brings in their own sub-referrals, you earn a percentage from those tiers as well. So there's this multi-level of referrals gain you get, right? So this is actually beautiful. You can get paid for life if someone keeps transacting with this very platform. They're also very big on user feedback too, and they encourage honest reviews, right? They actually run a weekly promotion where you can earn about $100 reward just by submitting a feedback, a honest review, your experience. You stand a chance of winning $100 reward. So if you've been looking for a secure, low fee and highly functional way to turn your crypto holdings into a spendable Visa or Mastercard that works worldwide, definitely check out PSTnet. I've left the official link in the description box below, and I'm also going to pin it in the very first comment so you can grab your first card and enjoy that zero fees on your first USDT deposit. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and if you have any questions setting up your visual card, you can drop them right there. Alright, now for the giveaway details I promised earlier, somewhere hidden in this video, a secret code appeared on the screen. If you found it, here's exactly how to enter to win that $3 crypto prize I talked about. So you first need to go down to the pinned comments just below the PSTnet pinned link, and what you do is click the link to my S handle, right? This is actually going to lead you to Twitter. Now you have to give me a follow over there, right? So once you give me a follow, then you send me a direct message with that secret code. Please do not drop the code in the YouTube comments below, or your entry would not count, right? If you drop it, your entry does not count. This giveaway would actually run for 7 days, right? From today, as at the time of the video release, and I'll be picking 3 random subscribers from my DMs to win. Yeah, so that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.